Hey guys, welcome back. Frank here with Makeshift Frank. So this is part 2 of my planer box. There's not a lot to it today. There's just a little bit of assembly, a little bit of painting, and that's about it. Hey, I want to thank everyone for joining me. I want to say, hey, if you like these videos or if I've helped you, help me, hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring that bell so you don't miss any of the videos I post. Hey, feel free to leave any comments below. If you think you could have done better or if you think I should have done something differently, let me know. All comments are welcome. All right, guys, let's get to it.
Okay, so I went ahead and cut some more pieces while I had a chance, and now I'm going to brad nail them in with my brad gun. All right, so we've already got this first one nailed together, all of them except for this very last one, or for that very last spot. I'll have to trim a piece before I nail it on there. And we've already got this one partially done, up to right here. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and I'll get all these nailed on, and then we'll start making our side pieces. Okay, we've got all these nailed together. All we gotta do now is cut a piece for this and nail that on. All right, we've cut these pieces. Now all we gotta do is nail these on. All right, so we want it to be 2.5 feet wide, and that is 2.5 feet. So what we need to do is cut 4 2x4s to fit in the middle, and they will be 21.5 inches, just under 21.5 inches. It doesn't have to be exact. Okay, so what I've done is I've set the stop block up here on my table saw. That block is 21.5 inches from this blade. That way I don't have to measure each cut every time. All I gotta do is slide it up to the block and then cut. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the 4 2x4s we just cut, and we're gonna screw them into the existing frame. All right, let's do that. All right, now we've got all 4 of those 2x4s put in there. Now we can put the sides on that too. All right, guys, I went ahead and cut 4 more of these little blocks, because if you see here, some of these split open when I was screwing them in. I either try to tighten them up too much or just had them at too steep of an angle. And I don't know if you can see this, but they kind of wiggle. They're not very sturdy, so I went ahead and cut 4 of these to stick in here like this. To stick in there like that. And what I'll do is I'll screw down from here, help from the bottom, and then the sides here, help sturdy it up a little bit. I'll do that for all 4 corners. Okay, now we're going to screw those side pieces in. Now we need to flip it over and put the screws in the bottom. Okay, now we'll nail the side pieces on. All right, guys, this is what we got. We've got it all put together. Now all we gotta do is paint it, put the plastic on the inside. I'm not gonna have a bottom in it, so I don't have to worry about any kind of drainage. I'm just gonna leave the bottom open, and I'm gonna cover the inside with plastic. So I've got this Valspar porch, floor, and patio wood and concrete paint. It's exterior, so I'm hoping that I'll just be able to paint it with this and it won't rot. Okay, so what I did is I flipped it upside down and I painted the bottom side. When that's dry, I'll paint the bottom again. Now I'm going to paint the rest of it. Okay, this is what we got. I went ahead and painted it. This is the bottom. I've got 2 coats on it. The inside, I've only got 1 coat on it. And this is the outside. I've got 1 coat on the outside. So what I gotta do is I still gotta paint the outside again. I don't know if I really need to paint the inside. I might paint it again, but I've gotta paint the outside again, flip it over and paint the top. All right.
All right, guys, that about wraps it up for today. I'm out of time. I want to thank everyone again for joining me. Join me next time and we'll finish. We're going to flip it over. We're going to paint the top. We're going to put plastic around the inside of it. Hey, again, I want to thank everyone for joining me. I want to ask everyone that if you like these videos or if I've helped you, help me. Hit that like button, subscribe to my channel. Hey, don't forget to ring that bell. Don't miss any of the videos I post. Hey, don't forget to leave any comments. If you think I could have done it better, if you think I should have done it differently, let me know. Let me know what your thoughts are. Let me know what your opinions are. All right, guys, till next time. See ya.